Hey iPhone lovers, got an iPhone 16 Pro Max that needs a fresh start? No worries, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPhone 16 Pro Max in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you've backed up all your important data. You don't want to lose those precious photos or important contacts. Done? Great, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Settings app. You know, that little gear icon. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and find General. It's usually somewhere in the middle of the list. Tap on General. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. You should see an option that says Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that. Here's where the magic happens. Tap on Reset. You'll see a list of options like Reset All Settings and Erase All Content and Settings. For a full factory reset, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Your iPhone might ask you to enter your passcode. Go ahead and do that. If you've got any restrictions passcodes, you might need to enter those too. After entering your passcodes, you'll get a final confirmation screen. This is your iPhone's way of making sure you really want to do this. Tap Erase iPhone, and just like that, your iPhone will start the reset process. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee or just relax for a bit. Once it's done, your iPhone will be just like new, ready for you to set up from scratch. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to resetting your iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.